Can YouTube TV play in the background? Yes, YouTube TV can play in the background, but this depends on the device and platform you're using. Below are the scenarios in which background play is supported. Number 1. On mobile devices, smartphones and tablets. For Android devices, background play is supported natively. You can minimize the app and the audio or video will continue to play in the background. For iOS devices, background play works if you're using picture-in-picture mode. You can activate PIP in your device settings to watch a minimized version of YouTube TV while using other apps. Number 2. On desktop browsers, you can open YouTube TV in a browser tab and navigate to other tabs or apps, and the content will continue playing as long as the browser remains active. Number 3. On smart TVs and streaming devices, background play is not applicable, as these devices typically play only active, foreground contents. Number 4. Limitations. Pausing automatically. Some devices may pause playback when switching to other apps unless picture-in-picture or background play is specifically enabled. Platform restrictions. Background play might not work for certain live events or specific content types due to licensing restrictions. How to enable background play. Step number 1. Ensure background play permissions are enabled. Go to your device settings, find YouTube TV, and confirm that background activity is allowed. Step number 2. Use picture-in-picture mode for iOS or Android. On iOS, enable PIP under Settings, General, Picture-in-Picture. On Android, go to App Info, YouTube TV, Advanced, PIP, and enable it. Step number 3. Test by minimizing the app. Start playing content on YouTube TV, then navigate to another app or return to your home screen to confirm background play is active.